Good morning. I'm gonna vlog, guys, our daily routine. Not daily, our routine since we have our child. Yeah, time check, guys. It's already 8:15 in the morning, and this is our first feeding this morning or this day. Yeah, we've been awake since 12 midnight, but I don't want to vlog. I want to start this time. And that's the daddy.
Morning.
Yeah, we just woke up too. Yeah. And that's little Munchkin.
There he is.
Just ready to eat some
food.
Boobies.
Oh yeah, that's what Dad calls it.
Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna breastfeed him first. By the way, guys, he's already 1 week and 2 days today. Or 3 days.
16 and 2 days.
Yeah, so
well, 7 p.m. today will be 2 days. Yeah.
Yeah, so 1 week and 2 days na siya, guys.
Yes, sir.
Since I gave birth to him.
Come here, buddy. Come here. Alright.
Alright, come to mama, baby.
Time to go to mama. Look how handsome this guy.
Yeah.
He's chilling out.
I feel like he's getting, like, meaty right now.
Yeah, I hope so. We're trying to get him to gain some weight. So.
This is only, when I give him birth, guys, it's only 5 pounds and 14. I know. Yeah, correct. 5 pounds and 14 ounces. So I feel like right now he's getting more bigger now.
Yeah, he's getting there. You're doing good, buddy. This is our bottle warmer. This is our bottle sterilizer. This is our bottle warmer. So I pour some milk in from Mom that we save. And then it gets warmed up with steam. There's water in there. And then I have to test it on my wrist to see if it's too hot or too cold. It actually feels great. So usually I have to do an extra minute, but not this time. And that's just 20 milliliters after he eats with Mom. A lot of times he's not even really that hungry for a bottle. But we always offer it to him. Sometimes he wants more, sometimes just 8 milliliters, sometimes all 20. It just depends. That's where we change him. That's where he sleeps.
He's after breastfeeding.
I'll try to sit him up right.
This is what we got. A sleepy head.
A little bit.
He likes to sleep while we're doing our breastfeeding together.
He likes to stretch together.
Yeah.
Oh.
So right now, Dominique is doing the burping again before he will start the bottle feeding.
That's right. Oh, look up there. I know. Oh.
So they have a skin to it?
I ain't got no skin.
No.
I got a shirt. Skin to shirt.
You can do the skin to skin too.
Yeah, sometimes I got my shirt off. All depends. Not for the vlog. You guys aren't that lucky. I know. You're doing good. Give us one burp. He does that.
After ko mag-breastfeed ng 15 minutes, guys, nagpa-pump din ako. So, ito yung breast pump na ginagamit namin. Ni-rent namin to sa hospital. So, 1 month lang yung pag-rent namin dito, guys. Kasi pag bibilin mo talaga tong machine na to, guys, it's like about $2,000. So, pag ni-rent mo, how much did you pay for this, babe?
For a month, like $75.
Like $75, guys. Maganda siya. Suction tube niya. Tapos ito naman yung parts niya. So, naka-disassemble siya kasi after kung mag-breast pump, hinuhugasan ko siya, guys. And sanitize. Ayan, naka-air dry na yan. And ready to use. And the two
putting our bib on.
Is right here.
Yes.
And they're doing their bottle feeding right now.
Sometimes he wants it, sometimes he doesn't. Alright, let's find out.
Let's find out.
At first he usually says no, then he accepts sometimes. Come on. We know you're still hungry. We know you're still hungry. A little bit.
Let's go, James. Oh,
there you go. He's like, all right. I'll take some.
I'm doing my pumping, guys. They're gonna do that one. And we just sit next to each other.
We're sleep deprived, so our words are slurring and we're making words up. So we only get an hour and a half or 2 hours at a time. So
yeah, we're lucky if we're gonna get sleep like 4 hours straight.
We haven't slept 4 hours straight since he's been born.
Yeah, but I
think
mean,
the most
like,
we've done is
the
like
total.
Total, yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, total, yeah, that's
for
right.
one day. It's like, you'll be happy if you get 4 hours.
Yeah, from all your collective naps.
Hungry naman yan.
He's learning how to breathe while eating. You can hear his nose.
Make that sound.
Yeah. You're doing great though, bud.
By the way, guys, the one that he's drinking right now, that's my breast milk also.
Yep.
Dominic just put it in the bottle. And then, if I don't produce enough, we're using a different
formula
milk, which is the formula. It's a liquid formula, guys. It's not the powder one.
Just finished food, and he
finished it?
Yeah, yep. And he finished burping. And he finishes burping.
Good job.
This is how he's chilled out right after.
Look at that. He's probably full. He's sleepy again, guys.
Yeah.
This kid have no bills to pay. Just sleep, eat, poop, and repeat. Sleepy ready, yeah?
Yeah, living the dream.
Oi.
Why'd she keep yelling at me, huh?
Oi.
What's she doing?
Alright, after 15 minutes pumping, guys, ito yung nakuha kong milk. I don't know how much ml is that. Dito ako ngayon sa aming bathroom and nagprepare ako ng gamit ni James para sa diaper change. Kuha ako ng 3 piraso, guys. Since malamig siya, ilalagay natin dito sa hot water. Hi, guys. Morning. Ito yung mga, mga postpartum stuff ko. Ayan. Ito yung kanyang washing machine. Namin gustong labhan yung kanyang mga damit dun sa may common washing machine kasi nakatira kami sa apartment. So, ito naman yung dryer niya. Ayan. Decent naman siya, guys. Ito lahat nilabhan ko yan dyan from the machine. Tapos, probably ito tuyo na to. Normally, 1 day lang naman yan tuyo na kasi magaling yung dryer. Talagang sipot na sipot yung tubig. Father and son, let's go? Let's go?
Taking her time, huh? She's vlogging?
I'm vlogging. So, ito na, guys, yung mga na-prepare ko. Ito na yung tissue natin. Ayan, 3 piraso. Tapos, ito yung diapers niya. And ito naman yung Vaseline. Vaseline na ginagamit namin or petroleum jelly. Kasi pinacircumcise namin si James. So, ito yung ginagamit para hindi mapupo. Walang pupo yung kanyang tintin. Ayan na. Let's go.
Yep. Ready.
I'm ready.
You didn't lay a diaper out.
Oh.
Yeah.
James is in the changing pad na. Ayan na yung pampers. And it's a private life.
Yeah.
So no video. No video, James, no? Gonna change his diaper na. So, it's gonna be mommy and baby time. Daddy is preparing some stuff to transfer it to our living room kasi lilipat kami doon. And here's our baby. His diaper change. The same clothes kasi pinapalitan lang namin siya, guys, twice a day. So, ito pala naman yung first na change niya kasi kanina pinalitan na namin. So, mamaya pa ito papalitan. Daddy's there. He's
breaking this down. We when we go out into the living room, we bring him with us, so I can easily disassemble, put it back together out there.
So that's his changing pad. Tapos yung bassinet niya, guys.
His little bassinet, and this will be his playpen in the future. Could also be a bassinet. So
it's like 4-in-1. The easy swaggle, guys.
He has Velcro. Makes our life way easier.
You have hiccups too.
I know.
And this is it.
Let me get his hat. Oh, dear.
Then we fold this sometimes. But he likes to straighten his legs. Legs niya hanggang dito, guys. Ooh, ready to sleep. Ito pala yung na-pump natin kanina na gatas. So, 27 milliliter. Tapos yung isa naman, medyo konti lang siya. 17 milliliter. Ayan. So, kino-combine ko siya normally at dito ko siya nilalagay. And sinisimot ko talaga yan kasi kita yun naman may mga tira-tira pa yun siya, guys. Ooh. Look at that. It's full now. So, overall, meron na akong 80 milliliter na backup para sa milk ni Baby James. Ayan. Tapos, close lang natin. Close tight. Tapos, ilalagay natin yan sa fridge. Kapag hindi ako nakaproduce ng maraming gatas, ito yung milk na ginagamit namin for baby. And ito yung nasa loob niya. Ayan. So, parang liquid din siya. Ayan, kagaya ng breast milk. Pero formula lang siya. So, ito yung ginagamit namin na brand. Ang himbing ng tulog naman yan. Tulog na yan, guys. May bilis lang siyang patulugin. Tapos, hindi pa namin natanggal itong Christmas tree namin. Kala niyo, guys, itong batang ito, ayan na siya, diba? Labas na. And usually, dito namin nilalagay si baby. Kaso nga, ang lamig sa labas. Kasi, kita nyo naman. Ayan. Mas snow. Ayan, guys, sa labas. Ang lamig. Like snow dito. English.
English.
English, please.
Yeah.
I'm speaking Tagalog. And looks my plants. Oh. I'm making my coffee right now. Hot water. And luto na din pala yung eggs ko. So, ito yung sa akin. And ito naman kay Dominic. Gusto niya kasi guys yung runny. Gusto niya kasi yung runny. Kaya yan. Yung sa kanya. And gumawa na din siya ng coffee niya. Pero yung sa akin, ito yung coffee. Sorry. Ito yung coffee na gagamitin ko, guys. Kopiko Brown. So, binili ko to sa Asian store. So, ito yung coffee ko with my breakfast. Nagligit na lang din pala ako ng pagkain namin. Ayan, meron kaming chicken dyan. Lechon manok yun, guys. Lechon manok. Dito sa US, tinatawag namin yan na rotisserie chicken. Pero dyan sa Pinas, parang lechon manok siya. Tapos, meron ding rice. Nagra-rice na din yan siya, guys. Kaya, hatiin namin itong pagkain. Hatiin namin yan. So, normally sa chicken, gusto ko yung mga may buto-buto. Ayoko ng mga chicken breast kasi wala siyang lasa. So, gusto ko either legs or yung thighs. Something na may buto. Ayan. So, bibigay ko sa kanya itong isa. Ayan. Tapos, konting kanin. Ayan. Tapos, ito naman yung sa akin. Lalagyan natin itong eggs. Taran! Breakfast is ready. And ito naman kay Dominic. Kain tayo, guys. Nagkakamay ako. Normally, dalawa kami kumakain ni Dominic. Pero ngayon ako lang mag-isa. Meron pala akong banana. Tsaka coffee. Ayan. Good breakfast. Kumakain lang kasi kami, guys, twice a day. So, breakfast. Tapos, mamaya dinner na. Kasi late na din kasi mag-12 PM na kaya dito. Tapos, breakfast pa lang namin dito. Parami at yung tubig ko sa kape. Parang ang tabang. And then, sasawan sa manok. Sweet chili. Ayan yung manok natin. Wings. Hindi pa ako nakahilamos, kaya ganyan yung mukha ko. Mawalan kami ng tubig mamaya, kaya kailangan magpit na ng sarili. Naligo na din ako kagabi, kaya ayan yung sauce natin. So, yung gravy, yung Mang Tomas na nasa Pilipinas. Kain! Kain, guys! Guys, since pinatulog namin siya, tulog pa rin siya hanggang ngayon. Hi, Mashkin! It's already almost 12 PM. And it's his time for breastfeeding.
Next feeding.
And look at him.
So peaceful.
Still sleeping.
Yeah.
This is what we did all the time, guys. Every time we do the feeding for him, we need to wake him up.
Yeah. Usually he doesn't wake up. Yeah. So we wake him up, which is great. He literally slept the entire time since the last time.
Yeah.
And then sometimes he wakes up, but most of the time he sleeps right through. He's a good boy.
He's a good boy. We love him.
Now watch me unswaddle him. He might start stretching. That's his favorite thing.
Okay. So Dominic will remove his swaddle, guys. And look at him. He hates it.
Yeah, he definitely likes to swaddle. But he likes stretching. But then right after that, he gets real hungry.
That's why when he's in my belly, guys, oh my god, it's like always kicking me.
Yes, sir.
But it's good.
See, there's the stretch. See the stretch face? Oh, yeah. Stretch.
Oh, he likes that position,
Big
like his
stretch.
neck, stretching it.
Oh, yeah. How was that?
Look at that.
Look at those lips.
So cute.
Oh, how's that for you? Good morning. Feel a little hand. Oh, more stretches. Oh, there he goes. Good job, buddy. Good morning.
Milk time.
Milk time.
Milk time, Munch.
Milk
I
time.
call him Munchkin.
He's so cute. Hey, handsome boy. Hey, handsome boy. He's a little more stretched. Oh, I know. I know. Hard life. Yeah. Oh, another stretch.
Oh, more stretch.
Oh, you ready for some food?
Ready for food, baby? Okay, I'm gonna
Yeah, we gotta get
prepare myself now, guys.
We take his clothes all the way off so he can do skin to skin with mama
Alright.
while he's breastfeeding.
After feeding and changing diapers, sleeping again. Ooh, what a good life, huh? Dominic is the one who's tracking everything, guys.
And this is the time that we fed him, which this time was 11:50. So we were about 30 minutes behind. This one, I was writing left or right, which breastfeed mom was doing, but now she's doing left and right. So
it doesn't matter.
So I'm putting just LR. And then we write whether or not he peed.
So he peed.
The doctor wants to know that. This
Poop.
one, poop. So this one, in case it was really small. So I'm just going to put small.
Okay.
Y for yes. And then how much of his bottle that he ate. So he had to measure it real quick because he didn't eat all of it. And if there's any general notes about going on in this phase. So if he was like, did he throw up during eating? Was it a lot?
Yeah,
or did he refuse the
special
bottle?
instruction.
Special notes. I'm going to clean up and then get back to calling her HR.
Productive again.
HR and another insurance question.
Needs more coffee first.
I'm so tired right now.
So ito yung second pop natin. Ayan, as of 11:50 in the morning. So medyo marami-rami yung first natin kanina, guys. Dry yung lips ko. Ayan, so medyo marami-rami yung first batch natin kanina. So ngayon, ito lang yung nakuha natin.